Do you know that when georeferencing a map, there are errors that are caused by residuals? And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today on how to clear residuals on a georeferenced map. These residuals are caused either due to when inputting your coordinates wrong input. For you to eradicate these errors, this distortion, you can remove the residuals after georeferencing the map by updating the map. Just follow me while I put you through on how to remove residuals when georeferencing on your ArcGIS software. And for you to get it done, after you bring in the map, the next thing for you to do is to bring in the georeference tools, and right on the georeference tools we have these icons that says add control points. So these are the points that wants to georeference. These points here, these 4 points are what we're going to georeference. Starting with this first point, I'll click on add control point and I'll bring my cursor to this add control point and right click. So immediately I right click, you can see it shows input x and y, that is requesting for the eastern and northern coordinates. So I'll click on input. For my x, which is eastern, I'm going to input 541,560.17, and for my northerns we have it as 721,442.75. okay, I'll click on this full extent. This is the next point. So I'll bring my cursor to this next point and I will input the value full extent. Next point, this is the next point here. Here is the next point, so I will bring my cursor to the center of the point for georeferencing. And lastly, this is the last point for us to georeference. This is the last point. I'll select it and input the coordinate value. Alright, so when I click on full extent, now we have the map on the screen, and you can as well right click here and click on full extent. So now we've georeferenced, we've input the coordinates into the map. The next thing for us to do is to update this map. So right under this georeferencing, I'll click on update georeferencing. The georeference has been updated, and the next thing for us to do is to clear the residuals. You know, these residuals are caused by errors, inputting wrong coordinates, positioning, distortion when fixing your georeference point and likes. So we have several ways of clearing residuals, adjustments to adjust your distortion. We have Kuchelewski method, we have polynomial and likes. Right under this georeferencing tools, we have this icon that says view link table. You click on your view link table, so you ensure this auto adjust is checked in, and under this transformation we have zero order polynomial, we have similar polynomial, first order polynomial, adjust, and projective transformation. But I'm going to be making use of projective transformation because it's very accurate. When you zoom to this georeference map, when you zoom to this place, you will notice something. You can see there is a shift from what we georeference. You can see that blue line. That blue line is the residual that we want to clear. So immediately I come to this transformation now, and when you see here we have residual. When I click on projective transformation, I'll just select projective transformation, and what do you notice? You can see immediately the residuals change to what? It changed to 0. And when you check this place now, it projects the map to the appropriate location, and that is how to clear residual on a georeference map. And if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, comment on my video, like and share. Thank you.